Hello guys, welcome back after a long break. So today I'm going to unbox and review a book named as The Birds of Indian Subcontinent, which is written by uh, a team Inskip, Carol Inskip and Richard Griment, and it is published by Christopher Hell. So let's start the video. So I've already opened the package. So let's start. The book looks like this. So here it comes the contents. You can see the contents, what it is written, map of the region, introduction, acknowledgement, how to use this book, image, and many others. So here we can see the map of India, and here it starts the acknowledgement. And here it is given the species accounts, plumage terminology, and this is a very good information given about the body parts of birds and what it is called according to the ornithology. Here also it is given. Now here comes the glossary. And if you do not know, let me tell you, glossary means the meaning of the hard words or the lesser known words which is used in this particular book. The Indian subcontinent, main habitats, and conservation. And here it is mentioned about the important important bird areas. Now from here comes the family summaries, and it is given according to the order, the correct order. Megapods, whistling ducks, shearwater storks, flamingos, pelicans, falcons. One thing you must know about this book, that this book does not contain the real images of the birds, but it contains colorful plates which is very much detailed and very easy to recognize. As you can see here, these are not the actual pictures of the birds, but these are the colored plates. So here ends the family summaries and starts the plates of different species found in India. Now you are going to see the different species of birds found in India and its subcontinents. So enjoy. Although these plates are very much accurately colored or very much detailed, you can say, but still, if you are a beginner, I do not 100% recommend you this book, because I think you may find difficulty in finding the species of bird you have seen in the field, because these are not the real pictures or the original pictures of that birds, except these are the colored plates. So uh, rather, if you are a beginner, you should take the pictorial guide to the Indian birds, written by Vikram Grewal. So if you are new to my channel, you can subscribe my channel, or you can like the video if you want. The buying link of this book I will mention in my description box, so you can buy by going to it. Also, comment your favorite bird or bird species or bird family in the comment box. The specialty of this book is that it covers all the birds which are found in India and its subcontinent. In the left side, you can see the information about the bird, and in the right side, you can see the colored plates. In the information, you can find the identification, how it makes calls, and its habitat also. It is also mentioned in the political map. So here comes the vagrant species, or we can say a doubtful species, which means that the species which are not cleared but may be present in India or its subcontinent. So it has mentioned the national and international organizations and references. Then it comes the index. And the book ends here. This book is a very good book if you want to spot birds and you don't want real pictures of them. You can manage by the colored plates of the birds, then it can be the best option for you because it contains all the birds which are found in India and its subcontinent. So let me tell you the dimensions of this book. This book's length is almost 14 centimeter and its breadth is almost 3 centimeter and its height is almost 21.6 centimeter. So I hope you like this book or you like this video. If you like this video, you can like the video or you can subscribe my channel for more such videos. So meet you in the next video. Bye.